Hello everybody, this will be a quick Monday morning update on March 21st. Just looking at Bitcoin levels. Right now, we did get a bounce up from this golden pocket at around 48,853. Just updating the levels here, we could come down to 40,680, but with the way the time frames are kind of looking, that might be a probability. Above us, we do have a golden pocket at around 41,660. That would make for a nice short based off of lower time frames, getting bearish divergences. Particularly the 6-minute to 12-minute time frame could make for a nice short based off of that. Just coming up higher, going to the 1-hour time frame. Let me turn off some things. Okay, here we go. We could get a bounce down to 39,000 possibly, and just looking even lower, we could get a bounce down to 37,000 to maintain that bullish structure. We do have a trend line that I drew on the daily time frame where we're making higher highs. We can still again come down to 35,500 and still be making that higher highs, maintaining that bullish structure. If not, we can still kind of pump up and hit this trend line too, along with a 0.88 fib level, a daily, and a trend line that I drew from back here to right here, just to maintain as resistance at around 45,000. If we do break above that, I expect us to come up to 46,000 and reject off of there. We do have major fib levels there, a 0.382 from the all-time high, and a 0.5 fib level from the medium all-time high. Let me see here. So a fib level from pulled up from here from the November range, and another fib value 0.5 fib from up here. So just major resistances to look out for. What is going on with my computer? So that is just something to be aware of. Right now, we did get a fresh money flow crossover, and we do have a green dot printing on the 4-hour time frame. 12-hour, we did get a money flow flip, and the VWAP is just kind of coming up. The daily, however, we are printing a red dot. However, the money flow is coming up strongly, suggesting more momentum upwards. And if we do compare that to the daily time frame or the 1-hour time frame, we do see the hour size kind of split like this, meaning there's not that much of downward momentum, but we shall see. The 3-day time frame looks pretty bullish. Money flow is still kind of coming up. 2-day money flow kind of resetting and coming up. However, the hour size are kind of split apart, so might not get too much of a pump. The 3-day fresh money flow crossover plus the hour size look to be oversold. Weekly, again, fresh money flow crossover and the hour size still kind of looking sold. The 2-week, I expect us to get a green dot printing within the next 6 days or so. This could provide a pretty good pump and lead us to a kind of a domino effect leading to a monthly green dot. And that could be a very nice pump as well. Just looking at going to Ethereum now, looking at local levels, we do have this golden pocket at around 2870. And we do have a 382 along with a VWAP that I pulled from right here. So that can make for a nice little bounce up. However, we are getting good confluence at around the 786 daily and a weekly open level at 2861 to 2853. That could make for a nice long based off of that. Also, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we could still come down to 2800, and this is a lot of confluence here. We do have a 0.5 fib level, a 382 fib level, a previous weak point of control, a naked weak point of control, and a daily level. So a lot of confluence there. 2800 is something to keep on the lookout for. Also, just coming higher to local resistances, we do have a 786 and a daily level lining up at 2951. Just a minor scalp that we could take. Also, just coming up, we do have a wick at around 38 or 30,046. That could make for a nice swing failure pattern. Also, if we do end up coming higher and breaking above that, I do expect us to go to 3,200 to 3,400. There's not really clear levels there, but if you do see Bitcoin starting to reject off of the previous said resistance levels, it can make for a nice dump on Ethereum too. And just going to the 30-minute time frame, we do have some more local supports below us at 2,751 and a 2,683. This is a 786 and a golden pocket as well, so just a good support to look out for. And then going to and analyzing what's going on with market cipher on the higher time frames, we did get a daily or a 4-hour green dot that printed. The VWAP is kind of coming up into the zero line on the 12-hour daily. However, we might get a red dot printing, but however, it might be a little weak because we do have the money flow kind of negating that in a way. Today, this money flow just kind of going sideways. 3-day, again, money flow just kind of going sideways. Might not be too much in the short-term time frames. And then, of course, on the 7-day, we do have the money flow just kind of resetting and coming back up. Weekly, we did get a previous green dot printing, so this could be a little bit of a pump. And the 2-week, like Bitcoin, could show up within the next 6 to 7 days. We'll see how that plays out. And it could be a catalyst for the monthly time frame. The VWAP is kind of coming up and providing a monthly green dot, which would lead to a massive pump. And so that is pretty much it for today. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Also, feel free to join the free Discord link in the description. And thanks.